In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a message on Gmail. Alright, so I'm starting here on my Gmail inbox. Everything's already open and ready to go. What I'm going to do first is make sure I'm in the right folder, so I'm just staying here in the inbox, but this works the same way in any folder. Now I'm going to scroll through my emails and find the message that I want to delete, so I'll just look through the list until I see the one I no longer need. Once I find it, I'm going to move my mouse over that email and just hover on it. As I do that, you'll notice a few icons appear on the right side of the email row. What I'm looking for is the trash icon. It usually looks like a small bin, so I'll go ahead and click on that. As soon as I click it, the email disappears from the list, and that's because it's been moved to the trash folder. Now at this point, the email isn't permanently deleted yet. It's just been moved out of your inbox, so if you need it again, you can still find it in the trash. If you want to double check, you can go to the left hand side, click on more if needed, and then open the trash folder to see it there. You can repeat this same process for any other emails you want to delete. Just hover over the message and click the trash icon. It's a really quick way to clean up your inbox, especially if you have a lot of emails you don't need anymore. And if you ever delete something by mistake, you can always go into the trash folder and move it back before it's permanently removed. So yeah, that's it. That's how you delete a message in Gmail and move it to the trash in just a few clicks.